everyone, I'm going to show you a Google Chrome extension that will help you eliminate ads and other things, miscellaneous things when you go to a website. Up here in my browser, I have something called Mercury Reader. It's a Chrome extension. You go and add this Chrome extension the same way you would with any other one. You can open a new tab, click on your apps, web store, type in Mercury Reader, and then you want to add this to your Chrome browser. Mine's already added. So now that I have it added up here, I have navigated to a website about Ethiopia, one article. But the problem is I get all these ads, so I don't want to send students here necessarily. I want it to be a cleaner view, a cleaner look. So it's less distracting for them to read the content. So what I do is I come up to my Mercury Reader extension, I click it, and now it becomes a readable version. And you can see only the article is here, the images are included, but there's no extraneous content. It's really nice. There's also a settings tab on this, so you can make the type smaller, you can make it larger. I originally had it on medium. You can change the type font. You have two options here. You can also do a dark and light version. But let's say you want to save this. You don't want to send this website to them. You want to actually just save this. So what you can do is you can right click over here in the margin and select print. And up here you'll have your different printer options. So if I select save as PDF, I'm going to click save. It's going to ask me what I want to save it as. So I'm going to say Ethiopia article. And then of course, place it where you know you want to put it on your laptop where you can find it again. So I'm going to save it. And now I have this article to send out. So I can access it here in my files. I can go to my desktop where I saved it. Here's my Ethiopia article. If I need it in Drive and I want to use a share link, I can go into my, let's say, social studies folder, and I can open my file and I can just click and drag it right in here. And then once it saves, I can access my Ethiopia article. I can open it up, grab the share link, and share it with my students. So that's just a nice simple way to create a PDF out of a website and take away some of the advertisements as distractors.